Imagine a life where challenges don't shake you, where setbacks feel like small bumps in the road, and where you stand strong, no matter what life throws at you. This isn't just a dream. It's possible, and the answer lies in mental strength. Today, we're diving into 9 powerful Stoic principles that can help you build unbreakable mental resilience. These aren't just ancient ideas. They're practical tips you can start using today to strengthen your mind, stay calm under pressure, and face life with unshakable confidence. Let's get started. Stoicism is an ancient way of thinking, created over 2,000 years ago, that teaches us how to find peace and strength in any situation. The Stoics believe that life will always bring challenges, but we have the power to stay calm and steady no matter what happens. People like Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor, and Epictetus, a former slave turned philosopher, used Stoic ideas to live with purpose, resilience, and control over their emotions. Stoicism is all about focusing on what we can control and letting go of what we can't, which makes it perfect for building mental strength. Number 1. Accept what you can't control. Life is filled with situations we can't control. Other people's opinions, the weather, unexpected events, or even the economy. The Stoics believed that instead of wasting our energy on these things, we should focus on what we can control, our own thoughts, actions, and reactions. This simple idea is the key to freeing ourselves from unnecessary stress and frustration. Imagine you're caught in traffic, running late for an important meeting. You might feel frustrated, anxious, or even angry. But will any of those emotions make the cars move faster? No. The situation is out of your control, so it only drains your energy to dwell on it. Instead, try to accept it. Take a few deep breaths, listen to music, or use this extra time to think through your day. By shifting your focus away from the problem and towards what you can control, your response, you regain a sense of calm. Accepting what you can't control isn't about giving up. It's about letting go of the need to change the unchangeable. It doesn't mean you won't face challenges. It means you'll have a stronger, healthier mindset to face them. When you release the need to control every outcome, you find a peace that is unshakable, even when life throws its worst at you. Next time you're in a tough spot, ask yourself, is this something I can control? If the answer is no, let it go. Remember, true strength comes from focusing on the things within your power, your thoughts, actions, and how you choose to face life's challenges. This mindset shift is the foundation of mental strength, and once you start practicing it, you'll notice a profound change in your outlook and resilience. Number 2. Embrace discomfort. Building mental strength means getting comfortable with discomfort. The Stoics believe that strength isn't built when everything is easy. It's built in moments of struggle. They practiced what's called voluntary discomfort. This meant they purposely chose to face small challenges regularly, whether it was fasting, taking cold baths, or even wearing rough clothing. These little tests helped them develop resilience for times when life threw real hardships their way. Think about it like going to the gym. When you lift weights, you're putting stress on your muscles, making them work harder. Over time, that resistance makes them stronger. In the same way, when we expose ourselves to discomfort in daily life, we're training our minds to handle stress and difficulty. Instead of fearing these moments, the Stoics teach us to welcome them as opportunities to build our inner strength. One way to start is by adding small, intentional discomforts to your routine. Try waking up early, taking a cold shower, or doing an activity you find challenging, like public speaking or a tough workout. These activities may be uncomfortable at first, but they strengthen your ability to face difficulties calmly and confidently. Embracing discomfort also means changing how we view it. Instead of seeing challenges as negative, Stoics suggest viewing them as chances to grow. Life will always bring obstacles, but each one is an opportunity to practice patience, courage, and endurance. The next time you face something uncomfortable, remind yourself that it's a chance to become mentally stronger. Little by little, you'll notice that things that once felt overwhelming are now manageable, all because you took the time to train your mind to stay calm and resilient. Number 3. Practice negative visualization. Negative visualization is a Stoic technique that helps us prepare for life's challenges by imagining the worst-case scenario. This might sound a bit strange at first, After all, we're usually told to think positively. But the Stoics believed that if we think about difficult situations before they happen, we'll be better prepared to handle them with calm and resilience. This exercise isn't about expecting the worst. It's about building mental strength for whatever comes our way. Imagine you're going for a job interview. Instead of just picturing yourself getting the job, try to imagine what would happen if you didn't. How would you feel? What would you do next? By preparing for the possibility of not getting the job, you'll be less devastated if things don't go as planned. This way, you can walk into the interview with a more balanced mindset, knowing that no matter what happens, you're ready for the outcome. This practice also makes us more appreciative of what we have right now. When we imagine losing something like a relationship or a job, we often realize how much we truly value it. Negative visualization reminds us not to take things for granted, helping us stay grateful and grounded in the present. To try this out, pick one area of your life and imagine what would happen if things went wrong. Could be anything: your health, finances, or a project at work. Visualize how you'd handle it calmly and rationally. When you do this regularly, you'll notice that you feel less anxious about things going wrong. You'll develop a steady, prepared mind, ready to face whatever life throws at you. Number 4. Detach from outcomes. One of the most powerful lessons from Stoicism is learning to detach from outcomes. The idea is simple. Focus on what you can do and release any worry about how things will turn out. Imagine you're working on a big project, putting in all your time and energy, but no matter how hard you try, you can't control every little detail or how others will respond. This is where detaching from the outcome helps. When you focus only on what you can control, your effort, your preparation, and your mindset, you're able to give your best without unnecessary stress. The Stoics believed that by focusing on the process rather than the end result, we stay present and avoid disappointment. They taught that you're only responsible for your actions, not for how things ultimately unfold. For example, a Stoic would say that if you prepare well for an exam, you've already succeeded. The result might matter, but it doesn't define you or the effort you put in. This shift in thinking frees you from the highs and lows of success and failure, helping you stay balanced and resilient no matter what happens. Detaching from outcomes doesn't mean not caring. It means caring deeply about your own efforts and integrity while accepting that some things are beyond your control. When you let go of the need for a specific result, you actually gain freedom and focus. Instead of worrying about whether you'll succeed or fail, you can simply focus on showing up, doing your best, and letting things unfold naturally. In this way, detachment is a powerful tool that helps you build unbreakable mental strength. Number 5. Daily reflection. One of the most powerful habits in Stoicism is daily reflection. At the end of each day, take a few quiet moments to look back on everything that happened. Reflection helps you build self-awareness and strengthens your mind because it allows you to process experiences and learn from them, one day at a time. Start by asking yourself a few simple questions. Asterisk, what went well today? What challenges did I face? How did I react to those challenges, and what could I have done better? Asterisk, when you reflect, you gain a clearer view of your actions, emotions, and thoughts. Over time, this habit helps you become more aware of your strengths and weaknesses, which is key for building mental strength. For Stoics like Marcus Aurelius, reflection was part of their daily routine. They used it as a tool to keep themselves aligned with their values and to remind themselves of what truly matters. The purpose is not to judge or criticize yourself, but to understand and improve. When you reflect on your day calmly and honestly, you're more likely to make better choices in the future, learning from mistakes instead of repeating them. You can make reflection a simple practice by journaling or just thinking quietly before bed. The key is consistency. Just a few minutes every day can have a profound impact. By taking time to reflect, you'll notice you handle situations more calmly, make decisions with greater clarity, and react less impulsively. It's a small habit that gradually strengthens your mind and keeps you focused on becoming the best version of yourself. So tonight, take a moment to reflect and see how it can make you stronger. Number 6. Don't rely on others' approval. One of the most important lessons from Stoicism is to not depend on what others think of you. It's easy to get caught up in seeking approval from friends, family, or even strangers. We often want to be liked or accepted, which can lead to stress and anxiety. But here's the truth. You cannot control how other people see you or what they think. Instead of trying to please everyone, focus on being true to yourself. Ask yourself what really matters to you. What are your values? What do you believe in? When you stay true to these principles, you'll feel more confident and grounded. Remember, the Stoics believed that true happiness comes from within, not from outside validation. When you stop seeking approval, you free yourself. You no longer worry about making choices based on what others might think. You can make decisions that align with your beliefs and goals. For example, if you want to pursue a career that others don't support, trust your instincts and follow your passion. This can be scary, but it's also empowering. It's normal to care about what others think to some extent. We are social beings after all. But try to notice when this concern starts to control your actions or emotions. When you feel anxious about others' opinions, take a step back. Remind yourself that their views do not define your worth. In the end, the only approval you truly need is your own. Embrace who you are and stand firm in your choices. By doing this, you'll develop stronger mental resilience and a deeper sense of peace in your life. Number 7. Keep a higher perspective. When life gets tough, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. In these moments, it's important to take a step back and look at the bigger picture. This is what Stoics mean by keeping a higher perspective. Think of your problems as small pieces of a much larger puzzle. What seems huge today might not matter tomorrow or even next week. To practice this, try taking a moment to breathe deeply and clear your mind. Imagine you are watching your life from a distance, like a movie. See the problems you are facing and ask yourself, will this still matter in a year? In 5 years? Often the answer is no. This thought can help you realize that many things that upset us are temporary. Another way to gain perspective is to remember that everyone faces challenges. You are not alone in your struggles. Everyone has their battles, and many people have faced similar situations. This realization can lighten your burden and help you feel more connected to others. Keeping a higher perspective also means focusing on what you can learn from your challenges. Instead of seeing obstacles as roadblocks, view them as opportunities for growth. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? How can I become stronger or wiser because of it? This shift in thinking can turn a difficult situation into a stepping stone for your personal development. Finally, remember that life is full of ups and downs. By keeping a higher perspective, you train your mind to remain calm during storms. You become more resilient and better equipped to handle whatever life throws at you. Embrace this mindset, and you'll find it easier to navigate the challenges ahead. Number 8. Set strong boundaries. Setting strong boundaries is essential for building mental strength. Boundaries help you protect your time, energy, and emotional well-being. Imagine you have a fence around your house. This fence keeps unwanted visitors out and makes sure your space is safe and comfortable. In the same way, personal boundaries create a safe space for you in your life. When you don't have clear boundaries, it's easy for others to take advantage of you. People may ask for your time or emotional support without considering your needs. This can lead to stress, burnout, and frustration. By setting boundaries, you teach others how to treat you. You show them what is acceptable and what is not. Start by identifying what matters most to you. Think about your values, priorities, and limits. Ask yourself, what do I need to feel happy and healthy? Once you know your needs, communicate them clearly to others. If someone asks for your time or energy and it doesn't align with your boundaries, it's okay to say no. Saying no doesn't make you a bad person. It shows that you respect yourself. Remember that setting boundaries can feel uncomfortable at first. People may push back or be surprised. But that's normal. Stay firm and remind yourself that you are doing this for your well-being. As you practice setting boundaries, you'll find that your mental strength grows. You'll feel more in control of your life and less overwhelmed by others' demands. In the end, strong boundaries help you live a more balanced life. You'll have more energy to pursue your goals and enjoy your relationships. Focus on your well-being and let your boundaries be a shield that protects you. Number 9. Act with purpose. Acting with purpose is one of the most powerful ways to build mental strength. When you have a clear purpose, you know what you are striving for. This helps you stay focused and motivated, even when things get tough. Think of purpose as your guiding star. It lights the way and shows you where to go, even during dark times. To start acting with purpose, take a moment to reflect on what truly matters to you. What are your values? What do you want to achieve in your life? Write these down. Having a clear picture of your goals will help you make better decisions. For example, if your goal is to be healthier, you will think twice before skipping a workout or eating junk food. Your purpose will drive your actions and keep you on track. Sometimes, life can feel overwhelming, and it's easy to lose sight of your purpose. During these times, remind yourself why you started. Revisit your goals and visualize your future. This can reignite your motivation and help you push through challenges. Also, remember that acting with purpose means being intentional about your choices. Each action you take should align with your goals. This doesn't mean you have to be perfect. It's okay to make mistakes along the way. What matters is that you learn from them and keep moving forward. In the end, acting with purpose builds resilience. It helps you stay strong during tough times and gives you a sense of control over your life. So, find your purpose, take action, and watch your mental strength grow. As we wrap up today's video, remember that building mental strength takes time and practice. By using these 9 Stoic tips, you can create a strong foundation to face life's challenges with confidence. Accept what you can't control, embrace discomfort, and practice negative visualization to prepare yourself for tough times. Don't forget to reflect daily on your actions and keep a higher perspective. Setting strong boundaries and acting with purpose will help you stay true to yourself. Now, I want to hear from you. Which tip do you think will help you the most in your journey to becoming mentally stronger? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your experiences can inspire others in our community. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us reach more people who can benefit from these Stoic strategies. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, focusing on Stoicism and personal growth. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's continue this journey together and strengthen our minds one day at a time. Thank you for watching.